Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So anyway, to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So it looks like it's turned off by default. Yep, I can see it. So I'm assuming it is turned off, so let's see if we can add it in. Looks like we can't. So we're gonna navigate into the settings right here. Then we're gonna navigate to battery, wherever that is. There we go, battery. And from here you can see we have the battery saver option, and we can turn it on from here. Now once it's turned on, you don't really get any kind of indication that it is running right now, so yeah. So that is how you turn it on, and to turn it off you just go back to the settings in there and disable it. Now I will also warn you about a couple of things that were not really disclosed, which is when you have your power saving mode enabled, the device tends to usually turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you don't use it, when it is in sleep mode, and this is considered sleep mode. So if you're wondering why you're not receiving any kind of notifications from applications like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on, the reason for it is power saving mode. Now whenever you wake up the device again, it will reconnect, so at that moment it will sync up everything that was missing, that it didn't sync up when disconnected from any kind of network. So yeah. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.